Alright, so right now I just poured the bleach in it. And like I said, I did use 2.5 packages of one that I previously had. And then I poured the whole bottle of the 30 volume developer in it, and immediately as soon as I started mixing it, I noticed that it was not runny enough, so I did have to use my other bottle. So I did end up using a full bottle and a half to get it to the consistency that I wanted, so that way it can move around the hair. Okay, so right now I went to go wet the hair. I didn't want to pour water in the bleach like I've seen a few people do in their videos, simply because I didn't know if I was going to do it right, if I had the right amount of water, too much science behind it. So I just wanted to wet my hair and then just dip it in the bleach, and it came out fine for me. So yeah. Okay, so as soon as I start putting that bleach on it, it started turning. It's my first time doing this, so I was kind of like, oh my god, like, just change it. But yeah, I left it on for like 5 minutes, and then I put some foil on top of it for like 5 minutes, and then I checked on it again, and then it was the color that I needed. So in total, I left the hair in the bleach for about 10 minutes. Yeah, I don't know where my clip went when I showed it without the bleach on it to see the color of how much it lifted to. But if I do find it, I will insert it in there. But I don't know where the clip went. But yes, it stayed. I had it wrapped for 5 minutes, played in it, checked on it, and then another 5 minutes. And then you'll see me dipping it next. Okay, so I did end up using a bottle and a half mixed with the warm water. I did spray my frontal with Got to Be Glue spray, and then I noticed that I did forget the little back. You know how some wigs have like a piece of lace in the back of the wig? I don't even know what it's for because I don't even use it. I just cut it off. But I did not spray that part, and it turned red. So I'm happy that I did go my first mod and spray the lace so it wouldn't color, because you'll see the small piece in the back of the wig turned red and the frontal didn't. So yeah, so make sure y'all spray y'all frontal just to protect it, because I seen some videos that didn't, and I was like, should I do it? No, baby, do it, because you never know.